Unbelievable. But some people are cleaning grease with frozen air. It's called dry ice blasting. 10 times more powerful than a pressure washer. Nothing like cleaning with water spray. It uses dry ice pellets at temperatures below negative 78.3 degrees Celsius, blasting toward grime at nearly 150 meters per second. No water, no foam, no scrubbing needed. When done, the dry ice simply sublimates into gas, leaving zero residue. Grime hits it and instantly freezes into hard lumps. Grease, mold, even caked-on carbon, gone in seconds. Compare that to pressure washers. Loud, soak everything, and leave you with a water mess to clean up afterward. Worse, use one on a laptop or car engine? That water touches electronics and they're toast. Dry ice blasting? Totally different. Clean engines, circuit boards, tile grout. No damage, no effect on function. Not a single drop of water on your hands. So with a cleaning method this good, what would you use it on? Unbelievable. The Boeing 747's design actually saved airlines a cool $1 billion. Back in the 1960s, Boeing wanted to build a full double-decker jet, but the design came with a ton of issues. For starters, passenger boarding and deplaning would have been a nightmare. Total chaos with crowds and even risks of stampedes. And in case of an emergency evacuation, it would have taken around 3 minutes, way over the 90-second safety standard. Then there's the weight. A sturdier fuselage was a must, but that added heft. We're talking 33,000 to 44,000 extra pounds per deck. That's like ditching luggage for 200 passengers. Fuel efficiency tanked, costs spiked. We're talking an extra $18,000 per New York to London flight. On top of that, airports back then couldn't handle such a beast. A total overhaul would have been needed. Boeing knew the added weight would jack up operating costs, and that made airlines bail on the idea entirely. So they went with a compromise. A high-capacity single deck with a small upper bump. It struck the perfect balance between efficiency, passenger count, and airport compatibility. We're talking 524 passengers, 167% more than the biggest jets of its time. The cargo hold? It could fit 3,400 suitcases. And the fuel savings? 280 million gallons a year. Decades later, Airbus rolled out the A380, their double-decker. Surprise! It ran into the same problems. Turns out Boeing made the right call back then. What do you think of the 747's design? Got any ideas for how a double-decker could work better? Whoever invented this thing is an absolute genius. It's called the Ocean Bin, a revolutionary creation by 2 Australians, designed specifically to address ocean pollution. A single ocean bin can capture 1.4 tons of trash per year. That's equivalent to over 30,000 plastic bottles or 500,000 microplastic particles. At first glance, it looks rather unremarkable, roughly the size of an ordinary bucket. But don't let its appearance deceive you. Once placed in water, it can filter more than 6,600 gallons of water per hour, automatically fishing out garbage from the water. Curious about how it works? It has a drainage hole on top. When water is pumped out, suction is created, which then draws nearby marine debris into an internal fiber bag along with the water flow. Once the bag is full, you simply pull it out. It's that straightforward. It doesn't just collect floating debris. Everything from large plastic bottles to tiny plastic fibers as small as 2 millimeters can be caught. It can also clean up oil discharged into the water from boats. One ocean bin can clean up approximately 6 pounds of trash per day. Just imagine, if thousands upon thousands of ocean bins were lined up along coastlines working non-stop day and night, wouldn't our oceans be cleaner? Do you think this invention is a savior when it comes to tackling marine debris? Think this is just a dump truck? Nope. It can lift, it can dig, it can do it all. This is the P4690, an all-in-one machine that combines a dump truck, crane, and excavator. One person, one machine, capable of handling 3 jobs. The front has a hydraulic bucket, which can be used for digging trenches, cleaning sewers, and leveling foundations. In the middle, there's a telescoping crane that can lift air conditioners, streetlights, and distribution boxes. At the back is a dump bed. Load it up, haul it away, unload it. It can carry 2.75 short tons of debris. No need to dispatch 3 trucks or wait for other workers. In most cities in the U.S., just renting a crane for a day costs $1,200. Add an excavator, a driver, and transportation fees, and the costs pile up quickly. Yet, the P4690 can replace 2 machines and 3 workers. It's perfect for tight urban construction sites, power line repairs, rainwater pipe maintenance, and site cleanup. Where other equipment can't get in, it can drive right in. It can turn around and work right up against walls. Some operators use it as a side hustle, lifting materials in the morning, digging ditches at noon, hauling debris in the afternoon. One truck handles 3 jobs, with a daily profit of at least $1,500. It's not about size, it's about speed, flexibility, and low labor costs. If one machine can cut your cost by 2/3, why rent 3?